Okay, here's a quick update. To remove the turbocharger, you need the instructions say to remove the catalytic converter. Right? It says remove the catalytic converter. Okay, so this is the cat right here. And what's interesting is that the 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, those were easy. And you got this 1 bolt down there, right? Imagine how you're supposed to put socket wrench in there. I mean, I can imagine you could put a regular wrench, but I found this extender and it's working. It's an extender that it's like an elbow extender, and it's actually working. I just want to share that with you. I mean, it's slow, but it's fucking working. It's probably warping the bolt to hell, but look, it worked. That's amazing, isn't it? Okay, just wanted to show you.